of what's happening across the globe. But what's happening in the currency markets, let's also look at that. Manisha Gupta joins in to give us the latest there. Manisha, over to you.
Well, thank you for that. We are looking at a lot of movements coming in here as well. If you look at the dollar index itself, it has been declining for days now. It's trading at a 5-month lows. We've seen 103 give away in the Asian markets right now with the kind of sell-off that we are seeing in various other asset classes as well. So when you look at the last 1 month, just in sense of numbers there, the dollar index has declined by 2%. Much of those losses clearly coming in the last 1 week itself. So the Chinese yuan, the carry trade actually, by the way, seems to be doing quite well. You have the Chinese yuan trading at a 27-week highs. The Japanese yen, pardon me, is trading at a 26-week highs right now. The Korean won at a 9-week highs. We're looking at weak US jobs data. The numbers were quite dismal. And when you look at the manufacturing activity data as well, it has been on the weaker side in US, in Europe, and clearly in the Chinese markets there as well. But what the dollar index really seems to be losing is in sense of the sensitive currencies there. They have continued to decline into the markets. So you have the Mexican peso, which is trading at a 9-month lows right now. That one has declined by 5% in the last 1 month itself. If you look at various other commodity currencies, well, they seem to be taking it under the weather also. You have the New Zealand dollar trading very close to its 8-month lows. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar also trading at multi-month lows at this point in time. Well, most important thing to watch out from here would be the US PMI data for services that comes in today. And then, of course, on 18th of September, it is the US Fed policy meeting. The markets are factoring in a 100% probability of a 25 basis point rate cut. And there is also now a 63% probability of a 50 basis point rate cut as well. So quite interesting as in a market, but we have seen a sell-off in currencies and in commodities as well in the Asian markets today.